starting off with skin prep, first I'm using the Origin's Ginseng Eye Cream to hydrate and brighten my under eyes. I'm just going to massage it well. I also use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream for my face. And moving on, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. This stuff is so good. I mentioned it in my 2017 favorites video, and just gives a beautiful bronzy glow to my skin and kind of even preps it. But I want to further prime my skin, and for that I'm using this Loreal Magic Lumi Primer. This again adds such a beautiful radiance to my skin. It looks nice and glowy, and that's what I want for this makeup look. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that, and again it primes my skin well for the foundation. And I'm using the LA Girl Orange Corrector to correct my under eye circles. For foundation, I'm using my absolute favorite, the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation. Again, this has been mentioned in my 2017 beauty favorites video. This is so easy to apply, just looks so gorgeous on the skin. And I'm going to buff it out with my It Cosmetics Airbrush Complexion Perfection brush. Concealer, again, it's my all-time favorite, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade medium. I'm just going to apply it everywhere where I applied the orange corrector, and then blend it using my beauty blender because I couldn't find my YBP makeup perfector. So I decided to cream contour today, and I'm using this PAC cream contour palette. The creams are a little dry, so I'm using this Indulgeo Essentials Rose Gold Oil and mixing these two shades together and applying it on those areas where I generally highlight my face. Using the oil made the creams easier to apply and easier to blend as well. And then I'm using this LA Girl concealer. This is, I think, in the shade Chestnut. I will link it down below in the description box. And again, I'm just applying it on the usual areas where I contour my face, and then blend it with the Morphe, I think it's the E8 brush. I love this brush for any cream products, blends them very well, especially concealers, works really well for that. So I'm just going to blend that with the brush, and then take my beauty blender once again and just go above all those areas so that everything is nice and blended. Gonna set my face with my favorite Charlotte Tilbury airbrush. I don't even know the long name that it has. It's the beautiful powder from them, and love it, love it. And then I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette and then apply it on those areas where I applied the cream contour, just to add a little more definition. And I love this contouring palette, so good. And I'm using that highlighting powder to just define my contours a bit more. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, which is now available on Nykaa, which is so great. And I'm using the shade Bay and applying it all over my lid. Then I'm taking the shade Sandalwood, which is my favorite transition shade, and applying that in my crease, again as my transition color. I'm also going to apply a little bit of the shade Shy in my crease again, just to add a little bit of pink in my crease. Then I'm picking up this gorgeous shade called Flamingo. It's a nice bright pink, and applying it slightly lower than Shy, and again blending that very well, just because I want a little bit of pink in my crease. Then I'm picking up this gorgeous shimmer shade called Fling, and I first applied it with a brush, and then I realized it applies so much better with my finger. So I went ahead and applied it with my finger all over my lid. Oh my god, such a beautiful, nice berry shade. Then I'm taking the shade Bossy and on a dense blending brush and applying that in my outer corner, and just going to blend that and smoke out the outer corner a bit. I wanted a little more pop of color on my lid, so I picked up the shade Angelic and applied it right in the center of my lid, and oh my god, it just looks so gorgeous. I love this color from this palette. So I picked up Bobbi once again, and again just smoked out the whole crease and outer corner a bit. Applied some false eyelashes and just a basic eyeliner, and then I'm taking the same exact matte shade which I used for my crease for the lower lash line as well, which is Sandalwood, Shy and Flamenco and Bossy. So then I'm using the Bharat and Doris Kohl pencil. This one is really nice, and I'm just going to use that to line my waterline. I also did tight line with the same. And then I picked up the shade Moon Dust just to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. For mascara, I'm using my favorite, the Lancome Grandiose Mascara. Beautiful mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm using this BH Cosmetics Satin Bronzer. It's such a beautiful bronzer, you guys. Very, very pretty. Just looks so nice and glowy on the skin. And for blush, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in, I don't know which shade is it. I will list it down below. But it just adds such a beautiful rosy glow to the cheeks. The Lakme Shimmer Compact is so much similar to this one. Moving on to highlighter, I'm using the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Beaming Blush. This is such a pretty highlighter, you guys. I don't have any highlighter in my collection which has a similar shade. Just looks so gorgeous all the time. It's so beautiful and intense. Love, love, love this highlighter. Now to line my lips, I'm using the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the shade Icon. I think that is the shade I picked up. For lipstick, I used this Huda Beauty Stunning Wifey Liquid Lipstick. This was from the new Nudes collection. Such a nice, beautiful. It is a pale nude, but I really wanted something pale on my lips for this look. And I just love their liquid lipsticks. And I think it's available on Nykaa as well, this particular shade. And again, for some extra glow, I picked up the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in the shade Angelic, and it is so stunning. I love it, I love it. Just looks so nice. The lips look so glossy. Love that. And yeah, that completes the look. So guys, that's the final look. I really love the glow on my face. I know for some of y'all it might be too intense, but I really love this glow on my face. You could definitely go for a different lip option. I know this is very like muted, but I think it goes well with the intense eye look that we have going on. So I really enjoyed this look. I know I used quite a lot of high-end makeup in this video. Not that you have to use the same, just I wanted to use these. So yeah, I hope you all really enjoyed this video. If you all did like it, then please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I shall meet you in my next video. Bye.